Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the full color option for the text box in this slide. I'm just going to show in this short video. So first of all, select the box. Now you will have the option on the top called here on the near the border color. You will have this option called fill color. Just click this. You will have the option to fill the color that you want. Just click this, it automatically fill the color to that. You can also choose the mild color, and you can also choose the color. You can just pick a color from wherever that you want. For an example, I just choosing this yellow. You can see it's picked color, and if you want to pick color from anything from here also, I just choosing green. You can see it filled as green. And here, clicking on the plus symbol, which will allows you to have the numerous number of color options. You can just use this slider and you can just make it and click OK. And another way of changing the color is to creating and also if you don't want, just click on the transparent, it's back to the normal color. So another way is you can also choose the gradient color. Click this, you will have the option of gradient color. There's numerous number of gradient textures has been given here to apply, so you can just choose the gradient color that you want. Here you can see a lot other options to have the darker gradient, or you can choose the lighter gradient, and you can also create a custom gradient color. You can see a radical or linear option. You can change the degree, and also there is a lot of more options for creating the gradient to rotate with the shapes, and everything has been here. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.